In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "You will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder" error in Windows 10. This message usually appears when Windows thinks you don't have enough permission to delete a file or folder, even if you're the main user on the computer. It can be frustrating, but in most cases, it's just a permissions issue that we can fix by taking ownership of the folder and making sure your account has full control. First, locate the folder you're trying to delete. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the window that pops up, go to the Security tab. This is where Windows lists all the users and groups that have access to the folder and what they're allowed to do. Next, we're going to adjust the permissions by taking ownership. Click on the Advanced button at the bottom. At the top of the Advanced Security Settings window, you'll see the current owner. If it's not your user account, that's usually why you're getting the error. Click on the Change link next to the Owner field. A new window appears where you can select a user or group. In the box, type your Windows username, then click Check Names. If Windows recognizes it, the name will underline or change to the correct format. Click OK to confirm. Back in the Advanced window, make sure to check the box that says Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. This tells Windows to also take ownership of everything inside that folder, not just the folder itself. Now click Apply and then OK to close out of the dialogues. Once you've taken ownership, we need to give your account full control permissions. Again, right-click the folder, choose Properties, and go back to the Security tab. Click Edit. In the list of users and groups, find your account. Select it, and in the Permissions area below, check the box for full control under Allow. This ensures you can read, write, modify, and delete the folder and its contents. Click Apply, then OK. At this point, try deleting the folder again. In many cases, it should now delete without showing the administrator permission error. If you still can't delete it, make sure no programs are currently using any files inside that folder. Close any open apps or restart your computer, then try again. By taking ownership and granting your account full control, you're telling Windows that you are allowed to remove that folder, which resolves this common error in Windows 10.